Hey parents, spring is here and it's the perfect time to take learning outdoors. Field trips offer hands-on experiences that can bring learning to life. So let's explore some of the best, easy, and close field trips that you can take your child on this March. Without further ado, let's get started. First up, let's talk science museums and planetariums. These spots offer interactive exhibits that teach everything from physics to space. At a planetarium, you can learn about the stars, planets, and the movement of them. I especially recommend looking up special workshops and events that happen at a lot of these locations. Often, this is where you'll get stuff like night watches, where you'll be able to see the movement of the stars at night from high-quality telescopes, all for free. Next up, create outdoor challenges. Kids love challenges, so turn outside activities into exciting competitions. Whether it's a race to the finish line or a simple scavenger hunt, by giving them a goal, kids are way more likely to chase it and choose to go outside. One of the easiest ways to do this is to set up seasonal scavenger hunt style challenges. For example, finding the first flower or the first to spot a bird's nest. Next up, setting up specific play zones. When you designate spaces for activities, kids are going to feel much more comfortable jumping right into play. A sandbox for digging, a small sports area for soccer, and even a garden corner where they can plant flowers. When kids have designated spaces, they are far more likely to engage in the activity that you want them to. Third, and I know it's challenging for us parents, you have to be the role model. If you want your kids to go outside, you have to brave the great outdoors as well. If they see you enjoying the sunshine, they'll want to join you. So whether it's walking, biking, picking up a new sport, or simply reading on the porch. Next up is a tried and true classic, the egg drop challenge. We've all seen it in iCarly. All you have to do is give your kids an egg and a certain set of parameters. You can give them certain materials, you can give them a time limit, but regardless, their challenge is to throw the egg off the roof and have it not crack. You'll see them using peanut butter jars, attaching parachutes of construction paper and twigs. There's so many opportunities for them to practice physics and for them to learn what materials are the best dampeners. Trust me, this will make an engineer out of any child. Finally, have you ever wanted to grow a rainbow like a plant? Now you can. All you have to do is draw a rainbow of stripes on a paper towel about halfway up. From there, you can dip the bottom half of the paper towel into the water and watch as the rainbow climbs up the paper. I know, it's so cool. I learned that one as an adult and it still blows my mind. By doing this, kids will learn about capillary action, how dyes move throughout paper, and get a really cool art piece at the end. These activities aren't just fun. They're helping to develop a love of nature and problem-solving skills, ensuring that they'll have a sense of independent curiosity for years to come. Next up, Botanical Gardens and Farms. While spring is fully in bloom, it is the best time to teach your kids where their food comes from. Take them on a tour to pick apples, strawberries, or any other fruit growing in your region. You can also introduce them to animals. Let them pet chickens, meet cows, and see what life is like on the farm. You can especially check for kids-friendly scavenger hunts. Many of these farms will also offer great kid-friendly egg hunts around Easter time, so keep an eye out. Next up, who doesn't love seeing baby animals? Zoos and aquariums are one of the best places to get to see baby fish, sharks, and other marine life. Kids can learn about marine conservation and the science that keeps our ocean going. Next up, historical sites and living history museums. For history lovers, historical sites are everywhere. I can near guarantee you your town has one that you didn't even know about. There, kids can learn history firsthand, getting to see reenactments and participating in activities like looming their own wool or playing old school games like stick and hoop. Finally, nature reserves and state parks are the best outdoor classrooms. There, kids can learn about the ecosystem, animal tracks, and see the water cycle live in action. Many parks even offer junior ranger programs where kids can earn badges as they complete learning activities. A fun tip is to bring a journal every time you go so they can see what they've learned every time. Field trips are an amazing way to connect your kids with hands-on experience. So be sure to get a couple in this spring. What are you planning? Let us know in the comments below and we'll see you next time.